Chapter 2, Organizing and Presenting Data. We're going to first get introduced to the calculator by putting data into a calculator list. We have the following data values and we want to put the values into the calculator's list L1, and there are 50 values. We're going to press the Stat button on the calculator, and with one edit highlighted, we're going to hit enter and we're going to enter the data values. I'm going to do this on my calculator simulator and you could watch along. Okay, your TI-84 looks something like this. Okay, the stat key is right here, and that's the first button we'll press, Stat. There are 3 menus at the top, Edit, Calc, and Test. We're going to stay in the Edit menu, and we're going to have our cursor on number 1 and hit Enter. Now I just want to identify here, you have an up arrow and down arrow that can bring you down the menu items. Okay, so we're going to keep it at 1, and then with 1 highlighted, we're going to press the Enter key, which is right down here. Enter. Okay, everybody should start with 6 calculator lists, and most likely your lists are empty if you've not taken statistics before. If you've taken statistics, you may have some information in L1. Now L1 is the list name that we're going to be using right now. If you have numbers in there, let me just give you an example. If your calculator list L1 has numbers in there, simply go up using your cursor up key to the title L1 and press clear. Notice how everything at the bottom of the screen just went clear, then hit enter, and that will clear your list for you. I have data in L2. You're going to be putting that data in later on, but for now we're going to work on L1 and we're going to put the following 50 values in. So we're just going to type the numbers 161 and then just enter. And we're going to do this for all 50 values. 172, enter. 193, enter. Now if you make an error, it's very easy to fix it. Use your arrow up or arrow down key to go to the location that you made an error and simply type over it, 172. Okay, let's say instead of 193 I wanted to put a 194. Just simply type over it and it would change to a 194. Okay, so we're going to continue this for all 50 data values, and I'm going to do this along with you. So if you want to pause the video or if you want to fast forward the video, it's up to you. It's going to take a minute. Okay, I'm at the second line now. Notice that when a particular line is highlighted, the number 27 indicates that line number. So if I use my arrow up key and highlight the 228, which was, we are not at the end of this list. This is somewhere in the middle of the list. Notice that there's a 26 in parentheses here. That means that I'm at the 26th row. So this is the 26th data value. And we're going to continue this. Okay, I'm at the last data value here. And notice how that says L1 parentheses 50. So that verifies that I have put into the calculator 50 data values. I'm at the line after the 50th data value. It says 51. I'm leaving that blank because we do not have any more. Okay, so now that we have our data values in a list in L1, we're going to sort the values. So let's go back to the presentation. Okay, after the data values are in our list, we're going to sort the list from smallest to largest. So we're sorting in ascending order. If we press the stat key again and number 2, sort A for sort ascending, and enter, and identify the list. So let me demonstrate exactly how to do this. I'm going to go back to the calculator. Okay. We're going, by the way, if you ever want to exit any screen on your calculator, if you're not sure where you are and you just want to get back to the home screen, the quit button, which is in blue right above the mode key, can be accessed by hitting the second key and then the mode key. So quit, or actually any value in blue above any of these keys, can be accessed by hitting second and then the key. Okay, so once you've got your data values in a list, sorting them in ascending order is going to be as follows. Press the stat key. Use your down arrow to go to sort A for sort ascending. Hit enter. Now we're at the home screen with this calculator function with an open parentheses. The open parentheses indicates that we have to put something into this function. So what do we want to sort? We want to sort all the values in list 1, which notice is in blue above the 1 key. L1 is in blue above the 1 key, so we use our second key, then the number 1, which gives us access to L1. Close the parentheses. So we tell the calculator sort in ascending order list 1 and then hit the enter key. It tells us it's done. So now we can look back at that list to see if it truly is in ascending order. We can press stat and then with one edit highlighted, hit enter. And notice now it looks like the data values are in ascending order, 161, 165, 168, and so forth. Okay. So now that our data values are in ascending order, we are going to save that information in our calculator for use a little bit later in the lecture. Right now,